I've developed a 4-step framework to help you reclaim your energy from these structures. And it's 4 steps. Number 1 is awareness, and you're doing that now. Recognize when you've been hooked. Number 2 is make the subjective objective. This is objective measurements, using the pain scale to turn subjective emotional static into objective data. Number 3 is integration, applying my proprietary framework to harmonize that energy. And then number 4, targeted movements to physically release the nervous system from the pendulum's grip. So I'm excited for this and to help you realize that you can move from being a pawn of the pendulum to a conscious director in your own script, because pendulums, after all, are essentially collective hypnotic loops. All right, so let's get into it. First of all, what is pendulum?